Have you ever thought about combining the thrill of aviation with the joy of a delicious meal? Well, at In-N-Out Burger near LAX, you can do just that. This unique spot offers a one-of-a-kind experience where you can enjoy your favorite burger while watching planes take off and land. Imagine sitting at an outdoor table, savoring a mouth-watering burger and looking up to see a massive plane flying low overhead. It's a surreal experience that combines the best of both worlds. The outdoor dining area is perfectly positioned to give you an unobstructed view of the planes as they come in for landing or takeoff. And there's no better place to do it than In-N-Out Burger at LAX. This location has become a hotspot for both aviation enthusiasts and food lovers alike. The proximity to the airport means you get a front row seat to the action, all while enjoying some of the best fast food around. That's right, the famous Los Angeles airport. LAX is one of the busiest airports in the world, and the constant stream of planes provides endless entertainment. Whether you're a plane spotter or just looking for a unique dining experience, this place has something for everyone. This In-N-Out isn't just about delicious burgers and fries, it's about the atmosphere, the excitement, and the unique combination of food and aviation. The menu offers all your favorites, from the classic double-double to the famous animal-style fries, ensuring that your taste buds are just as thrilled as your eyes. It's a front-row seat to the exciting world of aviation. The outdoor seating area is designed to give you the best view possible, making every meal an adventure. You can feel the rumble of the engines and see the planes up close, creating a dining experience that's truly unforgettable. Imagine this, you're biting into a juicy burger. The flavors are exploding in your mouth, and just as you take another bite, you hear the roar of an engine. You look up and see a giant plane soaring right above you. It's a moment that perfectly captures the essence of this unique dining spot. You hear the roar of an engine. The sound is exhilarating, adding an extra layer of excitement to your meal. The crowd around you reacts with awe and excitement, making the experience even more communal and enjoyable. You look up and see a giant plane soaring right above you. The sight is breathtaking, and for a moment everything else fades away. It's just you, your delicious meal, and the incredible spectacle of aviation. It's an experience you won't forget. Whether you're a local or just passing through, make sure to stop by the In-N-Out Burger near LAX for a meal and a show. It's a combination that's truly unexpected and absolutely unforgettable. In-N-Out at LAX is special for people who love planes. Why? Because you get so close to the action. The restaurant is located right under the airport's flight path. This means planes fly incredibly low overhead. You can practically reach out and touch them. You can see all kinds of amazing aircraft, giant passenger jets from around the world, sleek private planes, even cargo planes carrying who knows what. It's like a real-life air show, but with better food. LAX is one of the busiest airports in the world. With over 700 daily flights, it serves as a major hub for both domestic and international travel. The constant activity makes it a prime location for plane spotters. That means there's always something to see. Whether it's a jumbo jet taking off or a small regional plane landing, the action never stops. The thrill of watching these magnificent machines in motion is unparalleled. Planes are constantly taking off and landing. The sheer variety of aircraft is astounding, from the latest models to older, more classic planes. Each takeoff and landing is a spectacle in its own right. You'll see a huge variety of airlines and aircraft, from international giants like Emirates and British Airways to domestic carriers like Delta and Southwest. The diversity is incredible. It's a global crossroads in the sky. It's a plane spotter's dream come true. Enthusiasts gather with their cameras and binoculars, eager to capture the perfect shot. The camaraderie among spotters adds to the experience, making it a social event as well. The layout of LAX makes it perfect for plane spotting. With multiple vantage points around the airport, you can get different perspectives of the action. The runways are strategically placed to offer optimal viewing angles. The In-N-Out is strategically located near two of the main runways. This popular spot offers not just great food, but also an excellent view of the planes. It's a favorite hangout for both locals and visitors. This means you get a clear view of planes as they come and go. Imagine enjoying a delicious burger while watching a Boeing 747 soar into the sky. It's an experience that combines culinary delight with aviation excitement. It's like having VIP access to the airport. The proximity to the runways gives you an up-close and personal view of the planes. It's an exhilarating experience that every aviation enthusiast should have at least once. The in and out at LAX isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about sharing your love of aviation with other enthusiasts. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned plane spotter or just starting out, this place is for you. It's a place to relax, enjoy some good food, and watch the world fly by. When you think of Los Angeles, you might think of Hollywood, beaches and endless sunshine. But for aviation enthusiasts and food lovers alike, there's a hidden gem that combines the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about the food. In-N-Out Burger is a beloved institution in California, known for its simple yet delicious menu. The moment you take a bite, you'll understand why it's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. In-N-Out is famous for its burgers, which are made with fresh, never frozen beef. Each burger is cooked to perfection and served with crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and their signature spread. And let's not forget the fries and shakes. The fries are hand-cut from whole potatoes and cooked in 100% sunflower oil, making them crispy and delicious. The shakes, made with real ice cream, are the perfect complement to your meal. They use fresh ingredients and make everything to order. This commitment to quality is what sets In-N-Out apart from other fast food chains. You can taste the difference in every bite. It's the perfect fuel for a day of plane spotting. But the best part? The location. The In-N-Out near LAX offers a unique dining experience that you won't find anywhere else. You get to enjoy your meal while watching planes soar overhead. The proximity to the airport provides an up-close view of aircraft taking off and landing, making it a paradise for aviation enthusiasts. It's a unique and unforgettable dining experience. Whether you're a plane spotter or just looking for a great meal, this spot offers something special. So next time you're in Los Angeles, make sure to carve out some time to visit this iconic location. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience. Make sure to add In-N-Out at LAX to your itinerary. You won't regret it. The combination of great food and plane spotting is truly one of a kind.